Hi friends, and welcome to another edition of Meet Me at 313 Grill and Kitchen. So it is a nice hot day. We're trying to get some cooking in before Hurricane Dorian hits North Carolina. So what we're doing now is we got our gas grill. Let me show you something we've got over here. We're firing up the gas grill for the first time in a long time. It's been out of commission for a little bit, just replacing new parts over the weekend, and it's firing up and it's working pretty good. So we're going to make some marinated chicken. Very simple recipe to deal with. This was a recipe that was showed me by my wife's daddy, and simple to put together. 2 ingredients. You let it sit for 2 days. So let's get inside and get cooking. I'll show you what we're doing. So this is done in a few simple ways. 2 ingredients.
2 ingredients.
My assistant helping me.
My assistant is helping me.
Italian dressing.
Italian dressing.
And Catalina dressing.
Italian dressing.
And what you want to do with this, folks, is...
What you want to go with this, folks?
I got somebody copying me here today. So,
okay, folks.
So what you want to do with this chicken, you want to get... You want to take the chicken tenders, boneless chicken tenderloins, put them in there. You want the Catalina dressing. I'm going to let her do the talking for me from now on. So, folks, go let it soak for 2 days.
2 days.
And within the 2-day period, you want to let it soak up all that flavor. And in just a minute, we've had it since Sunday, so in just a minute, we're going to put it on the grill. So let's get going. Folks, what I'm doing over here is we're going to put some portabella mushrooms onto the grill. So I've got 2 portabella mushrooms. And the first thing that you want to do is you want to wash off the mushrooms. And I'm sorry if I'm holding this at the same time. My child is trying to interfere with my cooking. So folks, if you have a studio, you make sure you want to take advantage of that studio and use it. So, we're going to get that pushed out of the way. You want to do now, get some olive oil, and there goes my recycling. We're going to take some olive oil, we're going to drizzle a little bit, and what I want to do is put some salt. We're going to put some salt, and we're going to put these on another portion of the grill. So, now for those who love alternative style to grilling, this is what we're going to do. All right, folks, I think our grill's ready, so let's get grilling. So, folks, our grill is fired up nicely, and she's working good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to make some room, and we're going to throw everything on the grill. I'm going to leave it here, let you smell those aromas. So we're going to put chicken, try to keep this away from the fire or keep it closely as we can. And all that, and chicken is very easy to cook. No time brainer. This is a quick meal if you want to prepare it 2 days out. And this is good for one night after work. I would highly recommend on suggesting this. Alright, now what we're going to do, this is ready to go. We're going to cook our portabella mushrooms easy. And I want to put these onto the top rack. I want these to slow cook. And I'll show you here in just a second what I'm talking about. So we want to have our portabella mushrooms on the top. We want to have the main majority part on the thing, which is going to take the most to cook. We will let those roast and let those get to the grilling temperature. Then we might throw those on to get some grill marks on there. So we'll be back in a little bit to check on the process on our marinated chicken and portabella mushroom. Alright folks, let's have a sneak peek of how our grilling's going so far. Everything's looking good. We're going to go ahead and flip our chicken. Again, like I say, chicken doesn't take too long to cook. And you want to flip it at least about every 5 minutes or so until there's a nice solid grill texture, and when it feels firm. You don't want to cook raw chicken. that'll send you a trip to the hospital. And my goodness, folks, it is smelling good out here. Smelling good at the grill. And again, we just want to keep everything cooking nicely and smoothly. Our marinated chicken is looking really good. Some of these I'll cook it a little bit faster. We'll keep away from these burners. And our mushrooms are doing pretty good. I'll check on this in just a little bit. Right now, things are looking good at the kitchen. All right, folks, we went ahead and made a little switch. I think the chicken's just about done. As I said, chicken tenders on the grill don't take too long to cook. But I went on ahead and switched the portabella mushrooms over. We want to go and give that grill sear on both sides before we check in. So just a few minutes, I think we're going to be ready to enjoy this quick and simple weeknight fun grill a night meal. So stay tuned. All right, folks, here is our finished creation. Now, for those healthy option eaters like I am, you could take the portabella mushroom and put the chicken in there and make a little sandwich instead of using buns. Now, my wife will take a regular hamburger bun, and whatever way you want to eat the chicken is fine. So without further ado, we're going to try it. Let's see. Different kind of creation, but again, that mushroom is a healthier alternative for this case. If you like the recipe, shoot me down. Again, very quick and simple recipe. My name is Patrick. And then this has been another edition of the 313 Grill and Kitchen. God bless and have a good night.